In this video, I am going to show you how we can verify if a switch support SSH. First of all, I am going to take a switch here and then I will show you how we can verify if a switch support SSH. So let's move to switch and here you will have to type the show version command. So in show version, you can find if your switch support SSH. Here you can see you have a 2960 switch, and if your switch uh, image is a support K9, it means it support the SSH or cryptographic function. It is also listed here. This product contain cryptographic features. So in this way, you can also you can find a system image file LAN based K9. K9 means your switch is capable of running SSH. So this is what I want to tell you. Thanks for watching.